Hello, welcome back to MFWoodShop. Today I want to talk to you about Coast Portland products. They are basically a flashlight company. They have headlamps, they have pin lamps, they have flashlights, they got knives, they got lanterns, they got all sorts of stuff. Highly recommend their website. Their website is excellent, easy to use. If you know exactly what you're looking for, you can narrow it down by the search field, and it is very easy to use and very highly recommended from me. 3 products I want to talk to you about. They got a headlamp that I want to talk to you about. They got a rechargeable pin light that I want to talk to you about, and a battery operated economy size pin light that I want to talk about. So let's get started. The FL78R headlamp. It is 530 lumens on high output, 65 lumens on low output. The range is 511 feet on high and 177 feet on low. Runtime is about 2 hours and 15 minutes on high and 11 hours on low. The weight is 3.2 ounces, and it also comes with the rechargeable battery and the 3 AAA batteries, whichever one you want to use. It comes with a house charger and the USB cord, and of course the light, the strap, and a booklet. Now this one is actually becoming one of my favorites. So the light is very, very powerful. It also has these a red and a green LED. I'd assume that's for something with mining or something like that, or if you're in a cave or something. I believe that's what that's for. I'm not real sure. I don't use those, but I think that's what that's for. The light is focusing, so you can get a pin light or a broad light if you're wanting a big area, or if you want to focus on something very narrow. There's high, there's medium, there's low. And the strap is very, very comfortable. You can put this on your head and you won't even know it's there. It's very, very comfortable. I've had headlights in the past where they're not comfortable, but this one is very, very nice. It does have a tilting head on it, so you can really focus into right where you want it. And that is super convenient as well. This is becoming one of my favorite lights. The HP3R flashlight or pin light is a rechargeable LED pin light. The lumens is 245 at high outputs and 26 lumens at low output. The beam will focus out to 305 feet or 93 meters at high output and 101 feet or 31 meters at low output. The runtime on the battery is about an hour and a half for high output and 6 hours on low output. The weight is only 1.8 ounces, and it comes with the rechargeable battery or the 2 AAA batteries that you can use. To actually insert the battery, you got to unscrew the cap, then you can put the battery in, and this is the rechargeable battery. And then there's 2 ways to charge this. You could plug the USB micro cable into the wall with the adapter, or you can actually use it in your car and plug it through your cigarette port. The rechargeable outlet plugs right in here, and then you can hook that other side up to a USB port. Very, very lightweight. The beam is excellent, and you can actually focus right into something, or if you want a broad view, you can zoom it way out. Very lightweight, which is what I was looking for in a flashlight. And the HP3R takes care of those needs for me. This is everything you see that comes with it. Comes with a very nice case. Comes with the, of course, the flashlight, the rechargeable battery, the 2 AA batteries, the car charger, the house charger, and the cord. Now the G25 Light, this is the first one I picked up, and this is actually what made me fall in love with the Coast Portland products. I picked this one up at Home Depot for about $15. The lumens is 83 light output. It lasts about 9.5 hours, and the range is about 141 feet. This one does not have a focusing beam. You get one beam and that's it. And it requires 2 AA batteries to work. It's impact and water resistant, and it also has a lifetime warranty, just like all the Coast products do. But I picked this one up at Home Depot. Very cheap, very lightweight, and it works perfect out in the field where I'm using it. Okay, there's the brief overview of the specifications and everything on the lights. I can tell you personally that I've used all 3 of these and love every one of them. I use this one if I need to shine a light in a specific area and still use both of my hands. It is really, really beneficial to have a light strapped to your head while you're working on something as delicate as a printer or anything. If you're in your cross space and you're on your hands and knees, it would be perfect for that. If you're a miner, it'd be perfect for that. If you're an electrician out in the field and don't have power while you're wiring up a new building or something like that, be an excellent choice for that. The rechargeable pen light, it is super great to have a pen light always charged and ready to go. I can charge this in my car on the way to my next site that I'm working on, and always have a fresh battery when I need it. This one right here, I can carry this in my backpack and not worry about it. It's always going to be there as a backup, and I use this one quite a bit out in the field just because it's lightweight, easy to get to, and I do keep it in my backpack when I go into sites to repair a printer. This one here I also keep in my backpack, and I haven't used this one a whole lot, but when I do use it, I really like the adjustable focusing beam on this. That way I can really zero into something that I'm looking at, or if I just need a broad overview on the light, it's real nice for that as well. And the added benefit is I don't have to really worry about batteries. If it's low on charge, I can just plug it into my laptop, plug it into my car, or even an outlet that has a USB port on it, and I can charge it up that way as well. So all 3 products is fabulous. I highly recommend Coast products. Go check out their website. I'll put a link in the description below. And thank you, Coast, for sending these 2 items to me. And I have already put them to the test, and I really like them. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time.